guys, sorry about the bad lighting. I'm still in the process of sorting out my house, and I'm filming it from my new living room. So I've tried my best, but I can't really make any, can't make it any better. And hopefully the sound is working. My microphone's been a bit dodgy recently, so hopefully that's working. This video is about packing for my Disney trip. So I'm actually going tonight with Rebecca. We're going to Retford, so that we can catch the train early from her mum's house down to London, ready for the Eurostar first thing, because our train is at 10. And I thought I'd just go through, I still haven't packed all my stuff, so I thought I'd go through it all before I packed it, just to show you what I'm going to do. So the first thing that I always pack or get ready to pack are these bad boys. My ears. Yeah, come on my head. I actually got these in Disneyland Paris when I last went in 2016, and I took them to Florida, so I'm going to take them again this time. I want to buy a new pair, and I think I want to buy the rose gold ones if I can find them. So that's the next thing I'm going to get. The second thing I always look for and make sure I've got it out are my Disney pins. So these are the only ones that I want to swap, so I've separated them onto some lanyards, so for ease so that I can swap them, and I've got two of them, one with better ones on and one with the worst ones on, so I'll swap these one first, and then if I end up swapping all of them I'll go to this one. The next thing I look for, because I think it's going to be warm, I'm not sure, it'll be sunny at some point, so sunglasses, and I'm taking two pairs. I'm taking these and I'm taking my Ray-Bans. You just don't know what it's going to be like, you don't know what sunglasses are going to fit what outfit, so I'm taking two pairs, because I'm crazy. Of course, the most important, really, thing that you should take is your travel documents. They are the most important thing, and it's, you know, it's a no-brainer. You need these to get where you need to go. So these are going to be under lock and key somewhere safe in my bag so that I don't lose them, because I'm OCD about that. And also passport, because we're going on to the Eurostar. It's already in my backpack ready, and I'm taking a small backpack that sits on my back. It's like a backpack handbag kind of thing, so taking that along with me. Obviously adapters. I've got this cool one which is just for USB ports, so it'll be handy to put my phone in here, and I can charge my laptop on my other ones, because I'm going to take my laptop, just so I can free up some memory on my phone, or at least take it down to Rebecca's mum's. So just checking where I've got everything. Yes, if you're like me, you're asthmatic or you need medication, your medication obviously is important, so these, make sure you've got all your medication in your bags as well. Obviously it's common sense, you know, if you need it, take it, but I always make sure that I've got everything or got more of what I need so that I cover all bases. And also last time I went to a theme park with Rebecca, I had an asthma attack because I lost my inhaler, couldn't find it anywhere, it'd fallen out somewhere at Alton Towers, and spent the whole journey back wheezing, speeding down the motorway so that I could get back home and get an inhaler. Terrible. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some clothes. Now I want you to guess. I'm trying for the first time to do Disney bounding, so dressed in clothes that isn't the character's real outfit, but going sort of themed to them. So I've got my nails, Rebecca did my nails the other night, they're already themed, and they sort of match my outfit, and and I want you to try and guess who the character is. It's easy, but I still want you to guess. So I'm starting with a skirt. It's green, relatively long, and it's got a slit in it. Actually, just thought about something, I'll tell you in a minute. So a green skirt and then purple top. Oh, look at that bruise, jeez. Don't know where that's come from. Nice floaty purple top. If it still fits me, I don't know. Yeah, so I'm wearing that on the Saturday when we're going to have dinner with the princesses. That's a clue. And yeah, so I'm going to wear that. I've just thought in my head, I'm only taking a pair of pink trainers. Now they're subdued pink. I got them for Christmas from my brother. They're really comfy, and it's so important to have comfy shoes when you walk around the parks. But I've just thought they might not go with that outfit, so I might have to take another pair of shoes, which is annoying because they take up room. I'll see. So the next things I'm going to show you, I've already got trousers in, you don't want to see them. But the next stuff I brought are my tops. So I pulled out a few of it. I've got loads of Disney tops, but I pulled out just a few. And this is one of my favourites. Says "Talk Disney to Me" on it. And I wore it last time I went. I think I'll probably wear it travelling, possibly. I do love it, and I had a photo taken with it on Tower of Terror, so I kind of want to do that again. The next choice I've got is this Star Wars shirt, which is Princess Amidala and Princess Leia, and obviously Amidala is her mother. So it's a nice one. Leia's sat at her desk, and the reflection shows her mum sort of being there with her, and of course because she died in childbirth. So I really like that shirt, and I saw Tim Tracker find it in the Disney warehouse in Florida. So when I last went, I went straight there to look for it, and it was still there in my size as well. So I managed to get that. And then the last Disney themed one really is my Bambi shirt, which is like a short sleeved top with a like cut out at the back. It's nice and light, so possibly gonna wear that. I've got choices, and I might take a change of clothes on the Saturday because you want to be comfy. All of my tops that I'm taking, other than the bounding outfit, is loose. It's not clingy, so if it is hot, you know, it's not too close. Like I've got some room, and I can cool down a bit quicker. The last top I'm taking is this one. Now it's apparently Summer of the Superheroes or something like that, and they've got Captain America and Thor and Guardians of the Galaxy. So I'm taking my Marvel top. It's short sleeve. It's really oversized, so it's nice and long as well, and it's really comfy. So if I do want to meet all of the superheroes, I might wear that. I know that the Spider-Man meet and greet is closed while we're there, as well as Rock and Roller Coaster, which I'm really upset about. But hey ho. Yeah, so I might wear that. Okay, so now the final thing is my must takes. My must take items. So I have 3, and well, 4, but one of them sort of links with the third. So the first thing, if it's hot, suntan cream. Now, if you have kids and they burn easily, you definitely, obviously common sense as parents, you probably take it, but us adults that do sometimes burn should take this, because you are in the sun all day, you're walking around all day, so you don't realise how much it affects you. I don't burn too bad. In fact, not too bad. I hardly ever burn. I go red and then overnight it goes brown. So I wouldn't say it's burnt, but my shoulders can get a little sore. The rest of my body doesn't, but my shoulders can get tender. Even though they go brown, they still get a little bit tender, but I don't say it's burnt because it's not burnt, it's not red. I don't turn into a lobster. So suntan cream is a must. The next thing, I don't normally take these because I've normally been with my mum, but it's my first time without her and I want to save a bit of money. So to stop me from buying loads of water, I'm taking my water bottle. And this is a nice one. It fits in my small backpack upright, so it's so handy. I don't have to carry it around. It will fit in, and it will fit in with my other stuff. I'm taking my smaller wallet just to fit my euros in, so it's easier, and I got that from Disneyland Paris last time to carry my change, and it's just easier for me to do that. And it's smaller, less takes a lot less room than my purse, so I'm taking that instead. This water bottle has times and amounts of water that you should drink between each time, so it helps you keep a track of how hydrated you're staying, so you can think, oh gosh, I haven't drank my section between 8 and 9 in the morning, so it does that. And it also shows you how much you drink on that side. So, and it has a lock here because it opens with a push button. It was on offer in Tesco, so I bought it. £3.50 I think, but it locks so nothing leaks. It's really good. I've been using it up in Glasgow. It's so good, it's so handy to have, and it won't leak in my bag. So water bottle is number 2. And last but not least, now we always end up buying these things from the parks. Last time we went, it chucked it down chucked it down whilst we were waiting or coming out of Pirates of the Caribbean, and that was when we were with my nephews. And when I say chucking it down, it was like torrential for at least half an hour. It was ridiculous, the amount of rain that came down. So we ended up having to buy cagoles because we didn't have them, we weren't prepared, and we didn't have an umbrella. So I'm going to take these. They are expensive, so if you've already bought them, take them back with you. Just save some money. Definitely take them back. I think the adult ones were €16 each, and that's ridiculous. So I'm taking these. I looked all around my house for mine, couldn't find them, so my mum, who is always organised, has these in a little box, so I just snapped 2. So I'm taking one for me and one for Rebecca, but I'm also taking an umbrella just in case, because the weather is up and down at the moment here, and I think it's going to be the same there. Looking at the forecast, it's not saying it's going to be lovely all the time. So I'm going to take those 2 for us so that we are sorted. So that is the end of what I think you should take, or what I'm definitely taking. I'm taking a few other bits, I'm not going to show you everything I'm going to take: toiletries, perfume, makeup, etc. Because that'd just be too long a video. But I thought I'd show you the essentials that I think you should take, and that I will be taking. So there's going to be loads of videos coming up from Disney. I may possibly try and do a live video. I don't know how that's going to work, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, so I'm going to pack all of these into my bag now, and get ready to go. I'm so excited. Yeah, I can't wait. So I will see you next time. Don't forget to comment with who you think I'm Disney bounding as, and if you've got any questions about Disney, or tell me what you think, what you like to pack, what you would take with you, please comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video, which will be from Disney. Woohoo!